All right, guys, so we're at Iconic Graphics and we are going to be doing a couple of things to the Charger. I'm really excited, really pumped. It's going to certainly shake this thing up. So without further ado, let's get into it, guys.
I know we have a couple mini cars flying around over here. Got like 7 bucks up top. Yep. Yo, like I want to take pictures.
So this is the final product right here as far as the Luxe, and really it was just an inverse of what I had. Guys, I used to have this tinted and then the Rally Red showing, and RJ over here was the one that pitched me this idea. Now, have you done this type of look? Because this is something really. I've never seen before.
Yeah, not really. Normally we do the red blackout because people like blacking out the racetrack look. We do this too.
Okay.
They normally black out the whole thing, so it winds up just being completely solid.
I mean, that was my original thought, because I was like, you know what, all the black that's happening in the back, I was like, you know what, we just black out the entire thing.
It would have went all the way across.
Yeah, but that's more common, right?
Yeah.
But your idea was, because we're adding so much black, this will break it up a
keep it so that way it breaks up the look a little bit. Plus, it's nice to see some of the lights. These have like a black housing to them already, so it kind of like blends in.
You're right.
You know.
Honestly, I didn't think I would like it, because I was like, you know what, I really want the black and blue just to remain. And then, you know, as you were doing it, I was like, man, this looks good.
Like, just wait, let's get it done, and then you can see it towards the end. And if you didn't like it, it's very easy to just put the pre-cuts.
It's so true. I mean? Yep. So the way you did it was you actually cut out individual
knifeless tape to go about 1/8 of an inch above the red and below the red.
Okay.
So that way you don't have red showing from the top or the bottom. And then we wrapped it over with Luxe's dark gloss.
And so this is Luxe's like darkest tint that you could get. Okay.
Yeah, they have 3 shades. They have a light, a medium, and a dark. And they also have carbon fiber, honeycomb, glitter, a whole bunch of FX they call them.
Okay.
This is their tint. It comes in gloss, and it comes in matte, and it comes in 3 different shades. So we make pre-cuts for the headlights, the tail lights, the marker lights.
So you actually sell the pre-cut ones that you just put over like that?
Yeah, that's what is it, do-it-yourself, DIY.
Yeah, that's what I did. It was really easy.
Yeah, we sell them for the Charger, the Challenger, the Durango, the Ram, all sorts of things, from your sunroof, your quarter windows, your lights.
Guys, he said that he could get it for a better price than you could get it actually at Luxe. Yeah. So hit him up. A little bit less? Okay. And guys can just come in here, right? And you can install it too, right?
Install it for them. We are a Luxe certified installer, so that's nice too. But I could throw it on, or you could just purchase it and take it with you, or we could ship it to you. We ship it all over the world, actually. So.
But I'm definitely liking the Rally Red kind of disappearing. I think that cleaned up the look in the back, right?
Now you got like the black and blue look on the car without the red. Maybe even make this blue. You know what I mean? We'll see. But
I thought it was a brilliant idea.
Yeah, it's looking great. It's coming out fantastic.
Nice. All right, guys. So you know what? The next video, you're gonna see a little bit more of what's happening with this Charger. Again, we're at Iconic Graphics.
Hey, dude. We're in Florida, by the way.
I'll put a link to their Instagram. Crushing it with this. Crushing it. Any last words?
No, I just want to get finished.
All right, guys.
I can't wait to see the final product.
I'll check you on the next upload.
Such a big file with the template for the charger.
Mm-hmm.
It's huge.
You need more RAM in this thing.
Yeah. But what I was thinking is kind of doing this. Take apart this one.
I said